getting stuck. Ooh. Let's see if I was successful. Let's put it in the basket and then we'll see when we power wash them. Okay, there we go. Right. I like that color. That's a nice color. Yeah, nice color. You see, I don't know, once we wash them how it's going to come out. It's a lot of small ones on top here. Okay, look at the goethite inclusions in there. That's very rare. That's what makes it special. That's why I buy this stuff. This one's got some green amethyst there and some amethyst that side. But then this one's got a slightly brown sort of inclusion. And I wish somebody in the comments can tell me what it is. It's smoky. You also get smoky with the goethite inclusions. Stunning stuff. That one should clean up well. Oh, look at that. You see that? All of that stuff is coming off.
Would that be the iron?
That's some iron, yeah. Okay, I think this is about it on this one. Okay. So, man. The back, I just love this textured back. It's really stunning. This one is too big for mine. That's fine. Oops. Thanks, Gilbert. Okay, look at this. It's a large one. But still, the nice thing about these is that they are very lustrous. Look at the back. Isn't the back is even more interesting than the front?
It seems like the lighter the quartz is, the more darker the back part of it.
You're right. Because it's so thin. Right, so we're washing some crystals and we're filling these containers with water. After washing the crystals, we will put them in the containers just to dilute any acid that is still on the crystals so they don't go white. No, we must turn it around. Yeah.
And we wash it again.
Okay. Right, so what we want to do is we want to process all of these over here and get them into the system. And yeah, what fun. I hope we get something out here that's really going to be stunning, especially a piece like this. I mean, this piece, I love the way that it's sort of rough around there, and then the crystallized section on top there, it shows how it was formed. And it's just sort of a little geode that was broken open. So I'm going to cut off the bottom and then make it stand. So here goes, noise and all. Getting stuck. Ooh. So let's see if I was successful. I think it's great. That looks great. One more. Let's do one more. That was a bit easier.